What if your next golf watch could shave strokes off your game and keep you connected, all from your wrist? Let's count down the 5 best golf watches you need to know before your next round. Stick around because my number 1 pick might just surprise you.
Number 5. Garmin Approach S14 Essential Golf GPS Smartwatch. Let's kick things off with the Garmin Approach S14, a watch that promises a lot for its mid-range price. Right out of the box, the S14 impresses with its sleek design and lightweight build. At just 42 grams, you'll barely notice it on your wrist during a round. The 1.2-inch color AMOLED touchscreen is crisp and easy to read, even in bright sunlight, and it brings over 43,000 preloaded courses to life, offering yardages to the front, middle, and back of greens, as well as hazards and doglegs. The pinpointer feature is a standout, helping you line up shots when the green is out of view. And the digital scorecard with vibration reminders makes it easy to track your round without missing a beat. You can also sync your stats to the Garmin Golf app, which is great for analyzing your performance over time. But after several rounds of testing, the S14 revealed a few quirks. The GPS, while generally accurate, occasionally lags or fails to auto-advance to the next hole, which can be frustrating mid-round. The shot tracking feature, while promising, is hit or miss and often requires manual editing after your round. And while the battery life is solid, up to 15 hours in GPS mode, it's not the best in class. Another downside is that advanced features like full hole mapping and green contour data require a paid subscription, adding to the overall cost if you want the full experience. 4. CANMORE TW353 Golf GPS Watch. Next up is the CANMORE TW353, a budget-friendly GPS watch that's all about simplicity and value. The TW353 is lightweight and comfortable with a high-contrast LCD display that's easy to read in all lighting conditions. It comes preloaded with over 41,000 golf courses worldwide, giving you instant access to distances to the front, center, and back of the green, as well as hazards and doglegs. On the course, the TW353's GPS locks in quickly, usually within a minute or two, and the auto hold progression feature keeps you focused on your game rather than fiddling with buttons. The digital scorecard is straightforward, and you can easily review your scores after the round. The watch's battery life is also respectable, lasting through multiple rounds on a single charge. However, the TW353 isn't without its limitations. The interface is entirely button-based, which can feel a bit dated and less intuitive compared to touchscreen models. The display, while clear, lacks color and can be hard to see in low-light conditions. There's also no Bluetooth connectivity or smartphone notifications, so you're missing out on smart features that many golfers have come to expect. And while the course database is extensive, the hazard information can sometimes be less detailed than pricier competitors. In summary, the CANMORE TW353 is a great entry-level option for golfers who want reliable distances and score tracking without breaking the bank. 3. The Garmin Approach S12. Moving into the top 3, the Garmin Approach S12 stands out as the ultimate no-nonsense golf watch. This model is all about essentials: accurate GPS, a lightweight design, and a battery that just won't quit. The S12 comes preloaded with over 42,000 courses and provides quick, reliable yardages to the front, middle, and back of the green, as well as hazards and doglegs. During testing, the S12's trans-reflective black and white display was a highlight. It's incredibly easy to read in direct sunlight, and the big numbers mode is perfect for those who want extra clarity. The 4-button navigation is simple, and while it lacks the flash of a touchscreen, it's intuitive enough for any golfer to pick up and use right away. Battery life is a major selling point, up to 30 hours in GPS mode, meaning you can play several rounds without worrying about recharging. The S12 also offers basic scorekeeping and can sync with the Garmin Golf app for stat tracking and leaderboard participation. For those who want to add shot tracking, it pairs with Garmin's CT10 sensors, sold separately, but manual entry is required otherwise. There are a few trade-offs. The display, while functional, isn't as vibrant as more expensive models, and there's no touchscreen or smart notifications for calls or texts. It's strictly a golf watch. No fitness or multi-sport features here. But if you want a device that focuses on golf and nails the basics, the S12 is hard to beat for the price.
2. Bushnell Ion Elite Golf GPS Watch. Runner-up on our list is the Bushnell Ion Elite, a feature-packed GPS watch that brings some serious innovation to your wrist. Bushnell is famous for their laser rangefinders, but the Ion Elite proves they know how to make a great golf watch too. The standout feature here is slope technology, which adjusts yardages based on elevation, something you usually only see in high-end devices. The Ion Elite boasts a bright color touchscreen and is loaded with over 38,000 courses. The Green View feature lets you move the pin for precise yardages, while Whole View and shot planning tools help you strategize every shot. Dynamic green mapping gives you distances based on your actual line of play, which is a huge advantage when you're not in the middle of the fairway. During testing, the Ion Elite was quick to set up and easy to use. The auto course recognition and auto hole advance features mean you can focus on your game, not your watch. The battery lasts over 12 hours in GPS mode, enough for 2 full rounds. The watch is a bit bulkier than some competitors, but it feels durable and the rubberized strap is comfortable even after hours on the course. One minor gripe is the magnetic charging cable, which can be a little fiddly and prone to detaching if you're not careful. And while the hazard screen provides lots of information, deciphering Bushnell's codes for different hazards takes some getting used to.
Citizen CZ Smart Gen 1 Hybrid Smartwatch. At number 1, we have the Citizen CZ Smart Gen 1 Hybrid, a watch that redefines what a golf watch can be by blending classic style with modern smarts. The CZ Smart Hybrid is more than just a golf GPS. It's a full-featured smartwatch with a traditional analog look, making it perfect for those who want performance on the course and style off it. What sets the CZ Smart apart is its hybrid design. You get a high-contrast memory in pixel display that's always readable, plus traditional analog hands for that classic Citizen feel. The battery life is outstanding, up to 18 days on a single charge, so you'll never worry about running out of juice mid-round. The magnetic charging dock is a clever touch, making charging hassle-free. On the course, the CZ Smart delivers accurate GPS yardages and can track your activity, steps, and heart rate. It connects seamlessly with your smartphone, offering notifications for calls, texts, emails, and even weather updates. The built-in microphone allows for voice commands via Alexa, giving you hands-free control over your watch and smart home devices. Off the course, the CZ Smart shines as a daily wear watch. Its stainless steel construction, mineral crystal, and water resistance mean it's as tough as it is stylish. The Wear OS by Google platform ensures compatibility with both iPhone and Android, and you get access to a wide range of apps for fitness, productivity, and entertainment. Final thought. There you have it, my countdown of the 5 best golf watches available today. From budget-friendly basics to feature-packed smartwatches, there's something here for every golfer.